Welcome to the Ballyogan Fairy Door Workshop. I'm your host, Victor. In this workshop, you can make your own fairy door using found and recycled objects, and then either place them in the woods here, or bring them home with you as a present, or to hang in your own favourite spot. Fairies figure a lot in Irish mythology as they represent the in-between worlds. They are part human and part supernatural. And this was an important element in both the calendar and stories in Ireland long ago. Fairy doors are the portals or access points to that in-between world. Today, people recognise that not everything in life is ordered, definite and logical, and the mystery of the in-between world holds a fascination. This relaxed and fun workshop will provide all the materials and tools you need to make a small door to your own design. This is not technically difficult, and you can let your imagination run wild. I'll be there to offer support and help if needed, but you are also free to work on your own. When completed, we can take a walk into the native woodlands here, and you can choose a suitable spot to place your door if you decide to leave it here. The workshop will take about 3 hours in total, and you're welcome to take more time to explore the lanes and woodlands here in Ballyogan. Who knows, you might even see some fairies.